Good morning, sir and friends. We are from Group 1. The COVID-19 pandemic has hit the world, especially Indonesia, for more than 2 years. To find out how the development of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia and Malaysia for the last 6 months, we have collected data from November 2021 to April 2022. We have compared the calculation results from the two data groups and have drawn conclusions based on that data. Now we will present it for you.
In November, case of COVID in Indonesia reached 12,051 cases. In December, case decreased to 6,311 cases. Then case increased in January to 9,650 cases. And in February, case continued to increase rapidly to 1,211,078 cases. Then the case decreased again in March with 448,370 cases. In April, the case continued to decrease to 33,978 cases.
In November, the cases in Malaysia have reached over 161,140 cases. In December, the cases have decreased to 125,304 cases. In January, the cases have decreased to 112,672 cases. In February, the cases have increased directly to 571,978 cases. In March, the cases have increased again to 759,183 cases. In April, the cases have decreased to 246,085 cases.
Now, I will show you my calculation I made for data A. We need to find the mean, mode, and median too. As we all know, we need to sum all of the data we have collected in data A, then divide it by how many data we have for data A. Here, we will sum it all first. 12,051 plus 6,311 plus 90,650 plus 1,211,078 plus 448,370 plus 33,978 equals to 1,802,438. Next, we have to divide it with how many data we have. 1,802,438 divided by 6 equals to 300,406.33. The mean for data A is 300,406.33. For the mode of data A, we will just have to look at which data have the most cases. Based on the table, the most cases occurred in February 2022, which means the mode for data A is February 2022. Lastly, the median. We'll have just to sum it all, then divide it by 2, which leads us to 1,802,438 divided by 2 equals to 901,219. That means the median is between the order to 901,219 and 901,220, which will be February.
Now, I will show you my calculations for data B. We need to find mean, mode, and median too. Same with data A. As you all know, we need to sum all of the data we have collected in data B, then divide it by how many data we have for data B. Here we will all sum it all first. 161,140 plus 125,304 plus 112,672 plus 571,978 plus 759,183 plus 246,085 equals to 1,976,362. Next, we have to divide it with how many data we have. 1,966,362 divided by 6 equals to 329,394. The mean for data B is 329,394. For the mode of data B, we will just have to look at which data have the most cases. Based on the table, most cases occurred in March 2022, which means the mode for data B is March 2022. Lastly, the median. We'll just have to sum it all, then divide it by 2, which leads us to 1,976,362 divided by 2 equals to 988,182. That means the median is between in the order to 988,181 and 988,182, which will be March.
Now I will compare the calculation results from the two data groups. Based on the table, the mean of data in Indonesia is 300,406.33, while Malaysia is 329,393.67. It means the COVID-19 case in Malaysia is higher than Indonesia. The month of data in Indonesia is February 2022, while Malaysia is March 2022. The median of data in Indonesia is February 2022 and Malaysia is March 2022. There are differences in the mean, median, and mode results from the two data groups.
Based on the table and the calculation of the mean, median, and the mode of the two data, it's turned out the number of COVID-19 cases in Malaysia for the last 6 months is higher than the number of COVID-19 cases in Indonesia. Based on existing data, the lowest case in Indonesia is in December and the highest case is in February. The lowest case in Malaysia is in January and the highest case in March. We have got the data from www.detichealth.com and www.worldmatter.com.
That's all about our presentation. Thank you.